Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for powerful software to edit videos, create music, or design projects, Magix has some amazing tools. And the good news is, you don't have to pay full price. Today I'll share the latest Magix software coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025, plus show you how to buy Magix with a special discount. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. Magix is known for products like Movie Edit Pro, Music Maker, SoundForge, and Vegas Pro, trusted by creators around the world. Whether you're producing music, editing videos, or working on professional audio, Magix has the right tool for you. And with the right coupon code, you can grab it at one of the lowest prices of the year. Here are the codes you can try. Magix 30, save 30% off selected software. Create 20, extra 20% off site-wide. Bundle 25, 25% off when you buy multiple products together. New user 15, flat 15% off for first-time buyers. Free month, 1 month free on select subscriptions. How to buy Magix with a discount? Click the special link in the description. Choose the Magix product you want. Movie Edit Pro, Music Maker, or any other tool. At checkout, enter one of the coupon codes. Confirm the savings, complete your order, and start creating. So don't wait. Magix software deals like this won't last forever. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start editing or producing with Magix today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more software deals and discount codes, and let me know in the comments which product you picked up. See you in the next one.